Good morning, dear kids. I'm taking your exercise 3.1. In that, I'll directly take your problem number 4. Let's see what your problem number 4 says. Problem number 4 says, examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangle and the sum of angles deduced from that. So, if you want, I can give you one formula for finding the sum of angles. That is, angle sum of a polygon having n number of sides. So we do not know the number of sides, n number of sides. That will be n minus 2 into 180. So my dear kids, if I give you a polygon with number of sides as 7, so what you will do, you will just put 7 into this formula. If I give you the number of sides in a polygon as 8, you have to put 8 in this formula and get the sum of all the angles of that polygon. If I give you of 10, find that. If I give you of n तो हमने already formula में लिख दिया. Clear, my dear kids? Okay. So you have to find all this. Next we have what is a regular polygon. Now what is regular polygon, my dear kids? I'll give you a definition of regular polygon. Write it down. Regular polygon, a polygon having sides of equal length and angles of equal measure is called a regular polygon. Are you getting my point clear? ठीक है. अगर जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने इक्विलेटरल ले लिया ट्राइंगल, सो इट शुड बी ऑल साइड्स इक्वल, ऑल एंगल्स इक्वल. So this is your regular polygon. We can call it as triangle. Okay. And then if I give you a regular polygon in which all sides are equal, all angles are equal, this is called as square. Okay. Then if I give you 6-sided, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if I give you all sides are equal and all angles are equal, then this is called as hexagon. Are you getting my point? Okay. Next we have to find the angle measure x in the figure. So let's see what the figure is about. It goes something like this. This is 130, this is 120, this is x, and this is 50. My dear kids, this is a quadrilateral. And quadrilateral has 4 sides. And if it has 4 sides, my dear kids, I said you to find the sum of all the angles. तो मतलब इनका मिला के एंगल का सम क्या होगा? So we have a formula n minus 2 into 180. 4 minus 2 into 180. 2 into 180. That is 360. And that's the reason whenever we have a quadrilateral, we write the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360. Now the problem becomes easy. How easy? Because we have to just write x plus 50 plus 130 plus 120 is equal to 360. Add all this. Keep this x here. Yes, my dear kids, can you do that? And 360 minus 300. That will be your 60. So you got the value of x as 60. 60 degree. Clear? Your next is B. We will do it. Next is B here. We have something like this. This is given as 60. This is 70. This is x. And this outside is marked like this. Now my dear kids, what is this marking? This marking is that this is 90. If the outside angle is 90, this forms a linear pair. So this angle will also be 90. Now again this complete is a quadrilateral. So the sum of all angles will be 360. So what you will write? X plus 70 plus 60 plus 90 is equal to 360. From there you will keep your x here, take all this number, add all this number, take it over there into subtraction and find the value of x. Can you do that? Yes. Very nice. Next we have a structure something like this. This is given as 70, this is given as 60, this is given as 30, and these both angles are x. My dear kids, if you notice, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentagon. Yes, my dear kids, are you getting my point? So if this is a pentagon, how we'll find the sides? How we'll find the angles, sorry. So here we have, we'll keep it. If this is 70, my dear kids, this will be 110, linear pair. If this is 60, this will be 120, linear pair. And this is 30 given. Now for that, first you have to find the sum of angles of pentagon. The formula for sum of angles will be same, n minus 2 into 180. Pentagon has 5 sides, so in place of n, I'll put 5 minus 2 into 180. That is 3 into 180. That is 540. Now you got to know that the angle, जब ये सब मिलाए हमने तो 540 आएगा. So can I write 30 plus 110 plus 120 plus x is equal to 540. Are you getting my point? I'll clear this part. Okay. See how. ये स्ट्रक्चर कुछ इस तरीके का हो गया. तो ये 30 दिया हुआ है, ये हमने फाइंड किया 110, ये हमने फाइंड किया 120, ये दिया हुआ है x, ये दिया हुआ है x, और इन सब का एडिशन इज 540. फ्रॉम वेयर आई गॉट 540? आई गॉट फ्रॉम फॉर्मूला, बिकॉज एवरी डिफरेंट पॉलीगॉन विल हैव द डिफरेंट सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स. Quadrilateral has the sum of angles as 360 because it has 4 sides. Now pentagon will have sum of angles as different, higher than the quadrilateral. So it has 540. We have got that point. Now you have to write these all angles. 30 plus 110 plus 120 plus x and x becomes 2x is equal to 540. Solve this equation, take the numbers, add them. So you will find if you are adding them, you are getting 260 plus 2x is equal to 540. Got my point clear? Yes. So 260, I'll take it on that side. So 540 minus 260, 2x is equal to 280. X is equal to 280 upon 2. That is 140 degree. So you got the value of x as 140. Isn't it easy? Yes. Next we have D. Okay, D structure, I'll just check. Okay. In that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And all are equal. All sides equal. So it is a regular polygon. Yes, my dear kids, it's a regular polygon. That means it's a pentagon, of course, but क्योंकि उसके सब sides सब angles equal है, so it's a regular polygon. That means all the angles will be x. Now, just now in my previous problem, we have got the sum of angles in a pentagon. How much was that? It was 540 degree. Now, my dear kids, there are 5 angles. So add them. X plus x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 540. That will come 5x is equal to 540. From there you will get the value of x. Isn't it easy? Yes. Now we have next, which is problem number 7. Okay. Problem number 7 has something like this structure. Okay, I'll extend this. This is given as 90 degree. So you have to find x. This is given as 30. So you have to find z, and this is given as y. First of all, so you have this as linear pair, this as linear pair. So you have to find x. X will be 180 minus 90. That is 90. And y will be 180 minus, sorry, z will be 180 minus 30. That is 150. Got my point clear? Now jump on to the inner triangle. in your inner triangle, your one angle is 90, your other angle is 30, and your third angle you do not know is equal to 180, angle sum property. Therefore, 120 plus what is equal to 180. So you got the remaining angle as 180 minus 120, that is 60. So you got this angle as 60. Once you got this as 60, can you not find the linear pair of 60? That is y. So y will be 180 minus 60, that is 120. Reason being linear pair angles. Clear? Okay, we have your next as 7th kahi, I guess one more part we have. In that we have a figure something like this. This is y, this is 80, this is 120, this is x, this is w, this is 60, and this is z. Now my dear kids, this 80 is given, so y you will get because y is a linear pair. So 180 minus 80, that will be 100. From here x you will get because x is again a linear pair of 120. So 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. Why I am making 180? Because the addition of linear pair angles is always 180. How come about this? So these are also linear pairs. So I will write z is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120. But what about w? For w I need the internal angle. Now if I take this internal quadrilateral, I'll see I have been given one angle 120, this is 80, this is 60, and I need to find my fourth angle. Can I put it as x? Or you can put a. You have x already here, so you can put it as a. Now my dear kids, first of all, you will get quadrilateral के sum of angles कितने होते हैं? Sum of angles of quadrilateral is n minus 2 into 180, that is 4 minus 2 into 180, answer will be 360. So you got कि हम सब एडिशन करेंगे एंगल्स का तो आंसर आएगा 360. एंगल्स कौन से हैं? a plus 60 plus 120 plus 80 is equal to 360. Take all these numbers on this side into subtraction, so you will get the value of a. Once you got the value of a, my dear kids, क्या उसका लीनियर पेयर w नहीं फाइंड कर पाओगे? कैसे फाइंड करोगे? 180 माइनस a की वैल्यू आ गई है, w कैसे फाइंड करोगे? w लीनियर पेयर है a का, so 180 minus a. Is that clear? I hope you have understood the problems. If you have still any doubt, you can message me. God bless.